Welcome back to the channel. I got a little project I'm going to get accomplished today, and I'm going to modify the milking stand for my goats. We'll make a little ramp, make it easier, basically make it easier on me probably than them. But if you want to learn more about goats, dairy goats, chickens, eggs, gardening, hit that subscribe button. Be down here in this corner. Should be there at all times. There's a little red thing down here inside. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we post a video. So anyway, let's get started. And I've just got some that old pressure treated fence panels. I think they're 8 foot long by, they're 3/4 or 5/8. I can't remember which, but I'm gonna cut them in half and use a 2x4. I'm gonna use my air stapler, and I'm gonna staple together instead of screwing, because I think it might be a little better. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna cut these in half, and yeah, they're 8 foot, so let's go 4. All right, so I got these marked at 4 foot. I'm gonna cut them both at the same time. And I'm only going to use 3 of them for the ramp. I've got another thing I'm going to use the other one. So I'm going to lay these out side by side. And get a measurement on one. I'm going to cut me some 2x4s for here. I'm going to put probably 3. And I'll turn it over and I'll staple these into them. Hopefully it'll hold together. So we're looking at 17 inches. And so I'm going to cut 3 of them 17 inches. Alright, I'm going to put the first one here, get it lined up, and hopefully this works. Alright, I like it. Let's put a couple in it. And I'm using 1.25 1/4-inch crown galvanized staples. Alright, let's put one on the other end. Probably should use a framing square for that, but all right, let's put one more in the middle. And probably I should cut 4 of these because I had to put one of these on the stand. Screw that too, so yeah, I'm gonna put one in the middle. And I'll screw that down to the stand when we get down there. So I like it. I like it a lot. It's really sturdy. So I'm gonna cut another one 17 to take with me down to the barn, and we'll get some help me film down there because I'm gonna put it on there. And I'm gonna get the goats out and see how they do. Now I'm not putting any kind of treads across this because this is rough cut, and it's that's one reason I bought it, because it's rough cut, and maybe it'll give them a lot of traction so they can climb up it. And if it don't, we'll take it off and put the treads on it. All right, I'm gonna get this loaded up, and I'll meet you down at the barn. Okay, we're down at the barn. I got the thing. I already attached the board here to the milking stand. I got the ramp here. I'm gonna screw it down. Of course, this is just temporary. I didn't add this on my thing we want to get accomplished in that last video I did, but we're going to build a milking room up here. At the front of the barn, and then we'll move this up there to that. Got some food. Let's see if we can get Gigi out here and see how it does. Come on, Gigi. Yeah. Well, not too close, you said. All right, come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Well, it was a little easier. Hey, I believe she's about ready. I don't know. Look at her. See if I feel anything kicking. She's big as a tick. So we're on baby watch, I think. Look at her udder, how it's dropped. Because it wasn't like that the last time I had her up here last week. So it's okay. I had to move this into a different location. I think that's one thing they don't like. It was over there. And I got my hay. I keep it up on a little pallet here when I feed them so they don't get moldy. And so I might have to move that and move this back over. I think they seem to like it a little better over there. Are you through? I think that's gonna work good, so yeah, I'm gonna clean this. I'll clean this out and I'll move it back over. I think they'll like it a little better. That way they can just a straight shot over it to come this way. Kind of seem to freak them out a little bit. So I think we're on baby watch with her. So we'll end the video here. Pretty happy with it. I'm really happy with our stand. It's the right height, I think. See, right here's our udder, so we'll be milking on it. And if she has her baby for the next video, I'll put out a little short video, then we'll have it. But I think it's any day now for her. I'm gonna get Clover up here and check her, I guess. So, all right, we went and got Clover up here too, and I think she's getting pretty close to her udders. Her udder is feels like it's filling up too. And her ligaments are not as, you need some more food? Her ligaments are not as loose as Gigi's, so. I don't know, she might be a little bit longer. It might be that I saw, you know, from a distance, they kind of look alike, so, you know, he might have had relations with Gigi first, so I don't know. But anyway, I think she's a few weeks away, I think. But I think she's definitely pregnant. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you farming with us. You want to learn more about starting a dairy goat? I mean, we're learning as we go. So it's supposed to be I never did look at that. Well, boy, it feels a lot different than it did last time. So her tendons might be releasing. So any day, I think. Yeah, I think so. All right. Well, we're pretty excited now, so I forgot where I was at. Give us a thumbs up if you want to learn more about dairying and chickens and eggs and goats and sheep and farming and vegetable garden, stuff like that. Hit that subscribe button. You can learn. Maybe you'll learn something from us. We appreciate you farming with us. Support your local farmer. That's why your eggs is $18 a dozen now. You know. Come to your local farmer, we're selling for $3 a dozen. And we'll hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.